Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside Efootball 2024 by opening My Club or Team Management. This puts you where jersey assignments live. Once there, locate the squad containing the player whose number you want to change and open that player's profile. Make sure the player is not locked in a current competition or lineup, because locked players can't be edited. You're doing this now so edits apply correctly. Once the profile is open, move to the Kit and Personal Settings section to access the jersey number field. Now you're in the player settings where the jersey number field is editable. Change the number by typing the desired digit or selecting from the list. Be mindful that some competitions disallow duplicate numbers, so check for conflicts. If the new number clashes with another squad member, reassign or swap numbers before finalizing. Also confirm the chosen number fits the kit template. Some team kits reserve space for 2-digit numbers. Then press Save to commit the edit locally before moving on to synchronization steps. Finish by saving changes and syncing your profile to the server so the new number persists across devices and online modes. Once synced, load a quick match or preview the lineup screen to verify the number displays correctly on the shirt and in HUDs. If the number reverts or doesn't show, check for duplicate numbers, competition registration rules, or temporary server lag. As a troubleshooting tip, clear local cache, resync, and if needed, reassign numbers, then upload the roster again to resolve persistent reversion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.